today's video, I'm going to show you and give you a little bit of a what do I use and a little bit of a tip. If you know what I mean, mommies, you know that when washing your baby's clothes is very important to wash them with something organic and safe for them. You don't want to give your baby any rash or have them to be allergic to any kind of detergent. When you wash your baby's dishes, it's always great to have something that is not going to be penetrating in the plastics of the dishes that you use for your babies. And when you clean the surfaces like the high chair or their toys or the cart when you go shopping, it's always nice to have something organic and safe to use when cleaning, because those little hands get everywhere and are always dirty, even though you clean it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 times during the day. Having those little hands clean, the little high chair to eat clean, the toys clean, and those hundreds and hundreds and thousands of sippy cups clean is a must to have, chemical free and organic safe. So today I'm going to show you what do I use and what do I do when I wash, clean, and wipe. Baby Go by Greenshiel Organic is the first line of USDA certified organic cleaners and detergents in the USA, made to protect the people and the planet we love. With multi-surface wipes, honeysuckle dish soap, free and fresh organic laundry detergent or lavender, and jasmine organic multi-surface cleaner with the fresh mint multi-surface wipes are a must to have to wipe your tabletops, carts, high chairs and toys, to wash those unended sippy cups, to wash unended onesies and t-shirts and shirts and skirts, Luna's favorites, and to clean everything they touch is a must to have Baby Go by Greenshiel Organic.
This video is not sponsored whatsoever by Baby Go or by Greenshiel Organic. This video is just to show you what I use and to review the Baby Go by Greenshiel Organic cleaners and detergent. Woohoo! And having this table over here clean for both of them is a must. So, using two of my favorite things like a surface cleaner and a wipe is always nice.
Cleaning her toys is always a must because they're always dirty because they're always snacking on something. So the multi-surface cleaners, wipes are always nice to clean her tablet that she always gets dirty. This one, it needs to get cleaned for her to continue watching her favorite learning videos and cartoons too. With the same wipe, I will clean her toys. This one smells like gum, Luna says, is fresh mint. So having the toy clean, so whenever she gets to touch it again, is always nice. Go by Greenshiel Organic send me these blooms and bees. This is a handmade paper bee. It's embedded with a hearty mix of annual and perennial wildflower seeds. I'm going to plant it in I'm going to plant the paper under a thin layer of soil and water regularly. And soon we'll enjoy blooms for bees to love. Look it, I can see the little bees here embedded in the paper. And I love to garden. So this is a plus for me. We have here a little pot here with already some soil. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to remove a little bit of soil from the top. Just like so. And then going to plant my bee with some seeds that we don't know what they are. That's just as wild right in there. And going to plant it just like that. And we're going to water it with some water. Going to put this right under so the water that we get doesn't spill to the bottom. And we're going to water it.
We'll watch it grow. Just like that. The bees. Go save the bees. Save your planet.
And that concludes my video for today, showing you what I clean, what I wash, and what I use. Baby Go by Greenshiel Organics for sending me these products to review for you and to show the people that watch me, the mommies that really care like I do, to have USD products, USDA products and organic products to clean our things for our loved ones. Having something that is not chemical in our house, it's a must. It's a plus. It's wonderful. To tell you the truth, my very favorite has to be the Baby Go honeysuckle. With very little, you go a long way. I like dishes. I like dish soap that really bubbles up. And this one really bubbles up with just a little bit. And it smells delicious. I also love the multi-surface wipes because it gives you a fresh scent of fresh mint. Gives you the feeling of very clean. And of course, the Baby Go free, clear, organic laundry detergent. Some scents are not pleasant to have in your clothes all of the time, But this one, Baby Go Free and Clear, also bubbles up. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it, but it has bubbles in here. But since it's clear, but the organic multi-surface cleaner, it cleans. It's wonderful. It is good, clean, and honest. But I gotta tell you the truth, the jasmine scent isn't my favorite. I like jasmine, but I don't know about the scent of this one. But the cleaning purpose of it is there. So this line, it's mommy approved. Thank you guys for watching if you haven't done so already. And if you did, thank you so much. And we'll see you next time. Okay.